And now, ladies and gentlemen, catch your breath or hold your breath, whatever you prefer, because the moment has come, which we all have been waiting for. Settle your nerves. We are moving towards the much-awaited segment this evening, which is the presentation of awards. And we are going to begin with the Dealer Satisfaction Study Awards 2024. For that, I'm going to request once again all the top brass of FADA to join us on the stage here. And can I just quickly request Mr. Vigneshwar, Mr. Sai Giridhar, Mr. Amar Jatin Sheth, Mr. Agarwal, Mr. Sahesh Damani, and along with them, Mr. Rahul Sharma from Primon Asia to please be present with us on the stage as we get ready to announce the Dealer Satisfaction Study 2024 Awards. And for the first category, which is the two-wheeler category, I'm going to also invite on stage Mr. Nikunj Sanghi to be with us, along with our FADA office bearers. Okay, the team is ready. Are you all ready? Can you bring down the music once? Are you ready for the awards? Is there any excitement? I still could not hear you. Is there any excitement for the awards? Louder, please. Yes. Should we delay it? All right. So let's begin with the two-wheeler category. The second runner-up, we have the joint award holders here. The second runner-up is first, Hero MotoCorp Limited. Round of applause. And
the champions, the champions. Hey, we gon' bow, never fall, the champions.
As we announce the awards, I'm going to request all the dealers of that particular award winner category to please stand up, give a standing ovation. So Hero MotoCorp, do we have the dealers here in-house? Can you please register your presence with a huge round of applause and maybe a standing ovation for the winners. So this is the second runner-up in the two-wheeler category. The first prize I've already announced, Hero MotoCorp Limited. Congratulations, sir. Are we ready for the second winners, the second runner-up, and the second prize for this category goes to TVS Motor Company Limited. Please join us on stage, and can we hear a round of applause for TVS Motor Company Limited. Once again, requesting all the dealers to please encourage the company, the representatives here as they come to receive their award. It will be great if you could give them a standing ovation and a big round of applause. Dealer Satisfaction Study 2024 Awards, the first category, two-wheelers. We've just finished announcing two winners for the second runner-up in this category. I think there's a lot of discussion around the awards and the winners. So let's move to the first runner-up in the two-wheeler category. The first runner-up in this category is Royal Enfield, unit of Eicher Limited. Of the Dealer Satisfaction Study Awards 2024, Royal Enfield unit of Eicher Limited, taking the awards at the moment and of course posing for the group photograph. some work for the audience now. Any guesses for the winner in this category? Should I break the suspense? It's Honda Motorcycle and Scooter India Private Limited. Big round of applause for the winners in the two-wheelers category. Please give them a standing ovation as they come up on stage to receive the award. Fabulous to see the entire team here coming on the stage. That's the spirit. Many congratulations to the winners, Honda Motorcycle and Scooter India Private Limited, for getting the award in this category. Four in a row is what Mr. Damani is telling us. This is incredible achievement. I think that itself deserves a big round of applause from all of you. Commendable work by Honda Motorcycle and Scooter India Private Limited in this category. Many congratulations once again to the entire team. Mr. Nikun Sanghi, sir, I request you to join us back in the audience. Thank you so much. For the next category, which is the passenger vehicle category, Mr. Bharat Sangvi, can you please join us on the stage? Okay, all right. I'm told that he's not here. So we'll move ahead with the passenger vehicles category. And the second runner-up in the passenger vehicle category is Hyundai Motor India Limited. The second runner-up, ladies and gentlemen, Hyundai Motor India Limited. Limited for being the second runner-up in the passenger vehicle category DSS 2024 awards. Congratulations once again. Right, are we ready to know the first runner-up in this category? The first runner-up in passenger vehicle is Mahindra and Mahindra Limited. Please join us on stage to take your awards. Mahindra and Mahindra Limited, the first runner-up in passenger vehicle category. Congratulations to the team. All right, many congratulations, sir, to you and to your team for getting this award. But that was the first runner-up in passenger vehicle category. Once again, some work for you. Any guesses for the winners in the category? And please be a little loud. Any more guesses? All right. So the winner in passenger vehicle category is MG Motor India Private Limited. Please join us on stage. India Private Limited, the winners in the passenger vehicle category of the Dealer Satisfaction Study Awards 2024. Many congratulations. Congratulations to MG Motor India Private Limited for bagging the award there. Right, we move to the commercial vehicle category now. For this, can I invite on stage Mr. KVS Prakash Rao? Sir, if you are here with us, please join us on the stage with the office bearers of FADA as we are going to announce the second runner-up in the commercial vehicle category. And the second runner-up in this category are VE Commercial Vehicle Limited. VE Commercial Vehicle Limited, please join us on the stage to take your award. Congratulations, VE Commercial Vehicle Limited, for getting the second runner-up in the commercial vehicle category. Congratulations, sir. Right, let's move on and announce the first runner-up in the commercial vehicle category now. And the first runner-up are Bharat-Benz Daimler India Commercial Vehicles Private Limited. Can we please have you on stage? Bharat-Benz Daimler India Commercial Vehicles Private Limited, the first runner-up in the commercial vehicle category of DSS 2024 awards. Congratulations, sir. So for the winners in this category, should I come back to the audience or not? Are you interested in guessing? So let's do the guess game. Let's try. Wow, that's a fabulous guess. That's the winner in the category, Ashok Leyland Limited. Please come up. And a big round of applause because I think that was a unanimous call even from the audience. Ashok Leyland are the winners in the commercial vehicle category. Congratulations, Ashok Leyland. It seems that you were the clear favorites to win the award in this category. All thanks to your hard work, the award goes to Ashok Leyland for the commercial vehicle category. Congratulations once again. Mr. Prakash Rao, I'm going to request you, sir, to please join us back in the audience. For the next award, I'm going to request Mr. Manish Raj Singhania to please join us on the stage. Mr. Singhania, can we please have you along with the other FADA office bearers? We move to the last award in this category, and that's Creme de la Creme. Okay, I think we'll first finish the photo off and then move to that. Congratulations to the team. That's all right, you are the winners. You can take the stage as well. Right, with your permission, can we move to the next category? That's Creme de la Creme. And this award goes to MG Motors. Please put your hands together for MG Motors. And request you to please join us on stage. The second award this night for MG Motors. summarizes for us the Dealer Satisfaction Study Awards 2024. Once again, just to run you through the winners in case you happen to miss the names. In the two-wheeler category, we had Honda Motorcycle and Scooters. In the passenger category, MG Motors. In commercial vehicles, Ashok Leyland. And now the creme de la creme, MG Motors. Mr. Singhania, request you, sir, to please join us in the audience. In total, 11 awards were given in that category. And now we are moving towards the presentation of the Golden Dealership Award. Can I just request you to please settle down so that we can proceed further in giving out the awards tonight. So the Golden Dealership Award, the entire top brass of FADA is here with me on the stage. I am going to request Mr. Akshay Malik, Dealer Principal of Malik Automobiles, Hisar, Rajasthan, to please come on the dais to take the award. Established on 1st January 1966 by Mr. Ramesh Mohan Malik with Royal Enfield and later expanded the business to add the dealership of brands like Kinetic Honda and DCM Toyota. Currently, the dealership is run by his son, Mr. Akshay Malik, and the dealership also represents brands like Suzuki two-wheelers, Toyota dealership, and Honda two-wheelers. Congratulations on getting the Golden Dealership Award. Congratulations, Mr. Akshay Malik. And now we, ladies and gentlemen, reach the final award category this evening, which is the presentation of awards in Customer Experience Index Study 2024. Along with our top office bearers of the FADA, I'm going to invite Mr. Shailesh Narayanan, country head from FNS, to join our office bearers on the stage. The Customer Experience Satisfaction 2024 Awards, and the first category and my apologies, I'm also going to invite on stage Mr. Singhania and Mr. Gulati as well to be present for this award category. All right, Mr. Gulati, please join us, sir. Also, before we start announcing the awards, one request to all of you, the dealers of the concerned brands, please be louder, be more aggressive in your applause, in your acknowledgement of the effort of the brand, and it will be lovely if we could see you giving a standing ovation to the winners. So the first category is Overall Customer Experience Index in Mass Market segment, and the runner-up here are Toyota Kirloskar Motor Private Limited. Please join us on stage. Private Limited, the runner-up in the Overall Customer Experience Index Mass Market segment. My apologies, ladies and gentlemen. There's a slight confusion. We will have to restart this category, but obviously we are going to reach all the awards, don't worry about that. I'm going to first start with the Sales Experience Index, Mass Market segment. Are we ready with the Sales Experience Index? All good things come with a little bit of a wait.
Can I request Priya and Siddharth also on the stage?
Okay, it seems to be sorted now. Sales Experience Index Mass Market segment. The runner-up is MG Motor India Private Limited. Requesting you to please join us here. The runner-up in the Sales Experience Index Mass Market segment, MG Motor India Private Limited. Private Limited, who seem to be going back tonight with a bag full of awards across categories. This is the Sales Experience Index Mass Market segment, and the runner-up are on the stage, MG Motor India Private Limited. Thank you so much, sir, and thank you for your patience. So the winner in the Sales Experience Index Mass Market segment are Kia India Private Limited. Please come up on stage to take your award. Congratulations to Kia India Private Limited for bagging the award in the Sales Experience Index Mass Market segment. Congratulations once again. In the Sales Experience Index Luxury Market segment, we are going to announce the runner-up, and the runner-up are Mercedes-Benz India Private Limited. Please join us on stage. Do we have a representative from Mercedes-Benz? All right, then let's straight away move to the straight away move to the winners in this category, and the winners are BMW India Private Limited. Sales Experience Index Luxury Market segment. To BMW India Private Limited as winners of Sales Experience Index Luxury Market segment. Thank you so much. much for joining us on the stage and receiving the award. The next category that we are moving on to is Product Experience Index, Mass Market segment. And here the runner-up are Tata Motors Limited. Can we have the representatives on the stage? Product Experience Index, Mass Market segment, Tata Motors Limited are the runner-up. All right, then quickly let's move to the winners here. And the winners are Toyota Kirloskar Motor Private Limited. The winners in the Product Experience Index, Mass Market segment are Toyota Kirloskar Motor Private Limited. Congratulations to the team. Let's move to the luxury market segment of this category. In the Product Experience Index luxury market segment category, the runner-up are BMW India Private Limited. The team from BMW India Private Limited coming to collect their second award for the night. Congratulations for getting the runner-up in the luxury market segment in Product Experience Index. Congratulations to the team once again. Right, ladies and gentlemen, let's move to the winners in this category. And the winners are Audi India. Do we have them? Please join us on the stage to collect your awards. The Product Experience Index Luxury Market Segment winners. Congratulations, Audi India, for getting the award in this category. Don't forget to give a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. We are running through these award categories. In the meantime, let's not forget to appreciate the effort that goes into it. Thank you for being here with us, sir, and congratulations once again. Okay, let's move to the third category now. This is After Sales Experience Index, Mass Market segment, and the runner-up here are Mahindra and Mahindra Limited. Runner-up in the After Sales Experience Index Mass Market segment, Mahindra and Mahindra Limited taking their awards. Sir, please join us on stage for the group photograph. Especially on award night, we do not want to miss out on anyone who deserves to be seen here. Congratulations to the entire team for this award. Okay, so let's move to the winners in the category. The winners in After Sales Experience Index Mass Market segment are Kia India Private Limited. Let's hear it for Kia India Private Limited. All the dealers particularly, if you can give a big round of applause. Private Limited. So far, the second award. And let's move to the luxury market segment here. After Sales Experience Index, luxury market segment. The runner-up are Mercedes-Benz India Private Limited. I believe they could not be with us tonight. So we move straight away to the winners. And this is once again Audi India, the winners in After Sales Experience Index luxury market segment. Congratulations. The night seems to be getting better and better for Audi India, getting the second award so far, and this one coming in the After Sales Experience Index luxury market segment. Let's move to the final category now, and this is the mother category, the overall customer experience index in the mass market segment. I happened to announce the runner-up earlier as well, so this should not surprise you. The runner-up here are Toyota Kirloskar Motor Private Limited. Request the representatives to please be with us on the stage. In the overall customer experience index mass market segment, the runner-up. Okay, so yeah, we finished, I think, at that time itself. So now the winners in the category. It's Kia India Private Limited. The third award. Your bag is going to be really heavy tonight as you carry these awards with you. Kia India Private Limited getting the winner's award in the overall customer experience index mass market segment. Congratulations to Kia India Private Limited. It's turning out to be a fabulous night for the brand and of course for the dealers. Congratulations once again, sir. And finally, we move to the overall customer experience index luxury market segment, and the runner-up here are BMW India Private Limited. BMW India Private Limited, the overall customer experience index luxury market segment runner-up. The winners in the overall customer experience index luxury market segment, once again, Audi India, please come on stage to take your award for the night. Once again, the third award for them in all the categories. Audi India has emerged the winners. So overall customer experience index luxury market segment winners on the stage taking the award. This evening, but I'm going to request all the award winners, if you can join us on the stage for a group photograph. It will be our pleasure to have you back with us here on the stage for this big group photograph. On the night when we distributed 11 awards in the DSS 2024 category, 1 award in the Golden Dealership category, and 16 in the Customer Experience Satisfaction 2024 Awards. All the award winners this evening coming together for this big group photograph. What an evening this turned out to be for several brands, several dealer organizations who've been in fact working very hard all along to reach this stage. Fantastic. A round of applause for each other as we come close to wrapping up this fabulous evening. And as we do that, I'm quickly going to remind all the past presidents of FADA and the current presidents to carry their photo frames from the president's wall, which is right outside the hall. At the same time, there is a QR code which is also outside this hall. You need to scan it. In fact, it's stationed inside the hall on my left. You need to scan it to get your photograph. A reminder to all the past presidents of FADA and the current presidents to not forget to collect their photo frames from the president's wall. There is a QR code on my left that you can scan. Ladies and gentlemen, it was a pleasure having you all with us all through the day. Also, appreciate the effort put together by Team We Connect and Vandana for making the 6th Auto Retail Conclave possible. Thank you to the entire team of FADA. And I request all of you to now join us for cocktails and dinner. Thank you.
Can we have the FADA Secretariat team on stage for a group picture with our office bearers? We'll request Brosan Mr. Vigneshwar, Mr. Sai Girdhar, Mr. Amar Sheth, Mr. Pradeep Agarwal, and the entire Secretariat team. Can we assemble on the stage for a quick group picture, please? आइए आप लोग सब अंशुल Can I request FADA office bearers team to come up on the stage please for a group picture with the Secretariat team? Yes. Sai ji, Amar bhai, Pradeep ji, can we quickly have a group picture, please?